Yes, note down everyone. You need to take fresh page everyone. On the top, you can mention you need to you need to key two concepts. You need to key two concepts. You need to key two concepts unlock the future. Key two concept unlock the future. The title of Unit 2, Key two concepts unlock the future. The title of Unit 2, Key two concepts unlock the future. There are 5 chapters in Unit 2. Note down chapter 1, chapter 1. First chapter is integers. First chapter is integers. Chapter 2, fractions. Chapter 2, fractions. Chapter 3, decimals. Chapter 3, decimals. Chapter 4, bill. And last chapter is set. Chapter 5, okay, students. The title of Unit 2, Key two concepts unlock the future. There are 5 chapters in Unit 2. Chapter 1st, integers. Chapter 2, fractions. Chapter 3, decimals. Chapter 4, bill. And last chapter is set. Now keep heading. Chapter 1st, integers. Chapter first, integers. Chapter first, integers. Chapter first. Okay, students, before starting chapter first, I want to recap the previous concept. We have explained what is numbers, what is whole number, what is natural number, what is counting number. Understood? What is the number? The combination of numerals is called number. The combination of numerals is called number. When we are combining numerals value, that is called numbers. Like if I want to write 4, then here 4 I am combining 0 and 4. If I want to write 12, then 1 and 2 I am combining. The combination of numerals is called number. After that, what is natural number? Natural number is also called as counting number. The counting number start with 1, that is called natural number. Listen carefully everyone. What is natural number? The counting number start with 1, that is called natural number. Next, what is whole number? The number start with 0, that is called whole number. Understood? Now one question I am asking students, all natural number are whole number? All natural number are whole number? Listen carefully everyone. Don't write anything. Listen carefully first. Listen carefully, everyone. Suppose I am writing students, natural number, capital N, don't write. Capital N is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, 4, dot, dot. Whole number W is equal to 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. I am asking question, all natural number are whole number? Yes, because 1 is also is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Listen carefully. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but whole number is not a natural number. Why? Because 0 is not present in natural number. Because 0 is not present in natural number. That's why whole number is not a natural number, but all natural numbers are whole numbers. Are you getting my point, students? Right. Now, students, I am going to start my actual class. Left side, everyone keep heading integers. Keep heading left side, integers. Keep heading integers. Yeah, note down everyone. Integers. The combination of the combination of the combination of positive and negative numbers, positive, the combination of positive the combination of positive and negative numbers The combination of positive and negative numbers including 0. Including 0. The combination of positive and negative numbers including 0. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, -1, -2. Yes. The combination of positive and negative numbers including 0. Example, you can note down. Now keep heading. Types of integers. Types of integers. Types of integers. There are two types of integers. There are two types of integers. There are two types of integers. First is positive integer. Second is negative integer. First is positive integer. Second is negative integers. Positive integer includes only positive numbers. Positive integer we can write it includes only it includes only it includes only positive numbers. It includes only positive numbers. Example, +1, +2. We can write 1 or +1, both are same. 5 means +5, 6 means +6. Got it? Don't confuse. Second is negative integers. Second one, negative integers. Negative integers. Negative integers. It includes only negative numbers. It includes only negative numbers. Example, -1 comma -2 -3 -4 comma dot dot. Next, now tell me students, what is 0? Yeah, keep star points everyone. 0 is neither positive nor negative. IV means negative, negative. Positive means plus VE. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, second star points. 1 is the smallest positive integer. 1 is the smallest positive integer. 1 is the smallest positive integer. And -1 is the greatest negative integer. And -1 is the greatest negative integers. One is the smallest positive integer and -1 is the greatest negative integers. Students, always keep in mind, greater negative value is the lesser value compared to 0. Okay, if I'm writing -1 and -2, then which is the greater value? -1 is the greater value, because you have taken 1 rupees borrow, other person has taken 2 rupees borrow. Those who have taken less borrow, that is the greater person. Yes. Yeah. Students, in previous unit, I explained about number line. Listen carefully, everyone. What is the meaning of number line? Representation of numbers on the number line, that is called number line. Okay. Now, suppose this is one number line. Here I have written 0. 0 to the left side. Listen carefully, my word, everyone. 0 to the left side, always sign will be negative. Minus IV means negative. And 0 to the right side, always sign will be positive. 0 to the left side, negative numbers, integers. 0 to the right side, positive integers. If I am talking about -3, -3 will lie right side of the 0 or left side of the 0. 0 will lie left side of the 0 or right side of the 0. 0 is here, minus will exist this side. Means -3 will lie here. If I'm talking about +4, +4 will lie 0 before or 0 after. Left side or right side? Right side, because +4, 4 means +4. This is the positive value. Are you getting my point, students? If I am saying -1, -1 will lie left side of the 0. If I'm talking about 5, 5 means +5, right side of the 0. Are you getting my point, students? Yes. Now keep one more star point based on this concept. There are there are there are infinite positive and negative numbers. There are infinite there are infinite positive and negative positive and negative. There are infinite positive and negative numbers. Positive and negative numbers to right of 0, to right of 0 and left of 0, and left of 0. There are infinite positive and negative numbers to right of the 0 and left of the 0. Now draw this figure. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. 0 to the left, negative sign, 0 after, positive sign. Draw this figure, everyone. Draw this figure, everyone, fastly. Students, one interesting question I am asking. Concentrate, everyone here. Stop writing, everyone. Stop writing, everyone. Yeah. One question I am asking. Listen carefully, everyone. Listen carefully. Here is -1. Left side is -1. -1 is opposite of which number? -1 is opposite of which number? +1. -1 is opposite of +1. -2 is opposite of +2. -3 is opposite of +3. -4 is opposite of +4. Are you getting my point, students? -1 is opposite of +1. -2 is opposite of +2. -3 is opposite of +3. -4 is opposite of +4. What you are getting in this? Here minus value is there, opposite is plus value. Are you getting my points? Plus value, opposite, minus value. Are you getting my points? Yeah, note down this. Note down example first. Write opposite of the following. Write opposite of the following. Example first.